Disembark. Let the crew rest for a while.
There's even time to rest. You lad, you really have no sense of urgency.
Morrison! I knew it. The old dog weren't so easy to be slaughtered by Stanley.
Get lost! Stanley that waste wants to slaughter me? No chance even in 100 years!
Keep boasting. Look at your disguise. It's quite like. You must have escaped by playing dead, right?
Does it look alike? There's something more alike. Watch closely, brat.
Oh, dog. What are you doing lying on the ground? Find a suitable place to sleep. Damn, his injuries are for real. Quick, save him! He hasn't revealed the information from our side yet. Okay, Patty, how's the old dog's condition?
He's lost a lot of blood, and probably won't wake up for a while. Luckily, we got all the information.
It's said that the UMC, with the help of the Ancient Order, launched an unprecedented large-scale suppression of pirates, causing heavy losses to everyone.
The Ancient Order. Those madmen who want to use the sea monsters to exterminate humanity.